jeez.
Okay.
We're cleaning
You got a
fishes.
scaly?
Get most of them off. These are browns, they'll scale
That's
pretty good.
difficult. Can you hold it?
I have to hold it
Cut it open. Cut it open. Cut it open.
You gonna hit them or just gut them?
I'm gonna see how they go.
Put the guts in there.
Guts.
Ow.
Don't hurt yourself.
Teeth on his tongue got me.
I tell you what, I tried to open one like you do a bass. It's
He'll
shark teeth.
get you. That's these brown trout.
Guts.
See what's in his stomach.
Yep.
Nothing. Empty.
Is it eggs?
Those are eggs. It was.
Ooh, what was that?
Mush from the hatchery.
That's why they're not biting. Fed them.
Okay, we had enough.